What's up, guys and girls? It's All Pro Exterior Services LLC back in the house. I just wanted to quickly talk about gutters and roof washing. I went online and did some research on gutter bags and came up with a company by the name of Polypack. Here's a picture, and I ordered the 8-inch, 6 mil, and it's a 1,000-foot roll. This just came in. I've never used gutter bags before. This is a first for me, so I figured I'd do an open box of how it comes in and what's in it. Now, doing my research online, I noticed people like on eBay with like $95, but it was a 750 roll. Amazon was a little bit more money, and the delivery couldn't. They wouldn't meet delivery for me because I need them this weekend. But anyway, I found this place, Polypack, and they got multiple distribution centers all over the United States. Well, maybe like 5 or 6 of them. And this one was a state over, so I was here like in a day or two. So it was awesome, and it was $85. So it was cheaper for more foot on a roll. So the price per foot went down. Which, hey, look, I'm good for it. So let's open it up, kind of see what we got here. Like I said, I never used gutter bags, but I really wish I would have started a while back. I mean, we water everything. So let me pull this off. See what we got here. Here you go. Big roll of gutter bags, baby. And it's called, so if you're going to do some research on it, it's called Polytubing. Polytubing. You definitely want to get, this is a 6 mil. It's a pretty thick plastic, so it ain't like that cheap saran wrap plastic stuff. It's pretty thick, so and it's 8 inches. So you want to make sure you get the 8 inches, because you never know if you're going to run into a gutter that's bigger. I mean, I'm sure most gutters are about 6 inches or 5 inches, but I went ahead and got the 8 just because, hey, look, if I run into a commercial gutter, I need a little bit bigger bag. I can always tape this up smaller to the gutter. What I plan to do is probably get about about 6 to 8 foot of section, depending on the pitch of the roof. Obviously, if it's a stronger pitch, meaning more straight up and down, you're going to have more runoff, so you may want a longer bag. If it's more of a flatter roof, you may want a less bag. But I think I'm going to go with about 8 foot, and is what I plan to do on the end, is just to, sorry about that, curl it up, bend it over like that, and put a tie strap on it. So that way it can hold it. And once we're done, we'll take the side off the gutter, do the same, twist it, close it, tie strap it, put it on a trailer, and we'll empty it out somewhere. Maybe I got a bunch of old woods back behind my house, so I can dump it back there. Or, if there's a way to recycle that stuff, strain it, get some more use out of it, and that may be an option as well, but I doubt it. So anyway, again, this is just a open box, if you will, of some gutter bags. And if any guys are looking for it, I'll put a link in the description for Polypack. But again, it's Polypack, strong bags, good for gutters. If you're doing roof cleaning, it will help a lot without killing any grass. So anyway, we got a roof and a house wash coming up tomorrow again, along with another one coming up soon. So we've been picking up business. So we'll get some tape footage on that, some video footage on that, and demonstrate the gutter bags out there. So anyway, just wanted to give you guys some input and a box opening. Got any questions, hit me up. Peace.